Today we will do the topic that is subject verb agreement. In this, subject verb agreement is the agreement between subject and verb, which states that if the subject of a sentence is singular, then the verb will also be singular if the subject is plural, and the verb will also be plural in that kind of sentence. This is the agreement between subject and verb, in which we will see if the subject of a sentence is singular, there we have to use their singular verb. If the subject of the sentence is plural, then we have to use plural verb. Here two examples are given. In the first sentence, there is given Dhoni is a cricketer. In this sentence, Dhoni is subject and is verb. Dhoni. Here some rules are given about subject-verb agreement. If two nouns or pronouns are joined with and, then it will be plural, and plural verb we have to use there. In first sentence, Sachin and Vinod. These are two nouns and these are joined with and. Here the verb which is used, that is are. It means if two nouns are given, the sentence will be plural, the subject will be plural, and there we have to use plural verb. In second sentence, there is he and I. He and I are pronouns and these are two pronouns, and that's why we will count as plural verb, subject, and there we have to use plural verb. And verb which is used here, that is are, and that is also called plural verb. If in the sentence or subject many, several, a lot of, these words are used in the subject, then we have to take these as a plural, because if these words are used, these are always used with plural subjects or plural noun or pronoun. It means if many, several, lots of, these words are used as a subject or before a subject, then we have to take it as a plural, and there we have to use the verb plural. In first sentence, many apples. Second sentence, several people. Third sentence, a lot of. And a lot of students. And in these sentences, which are the verbs used? Were, study, and these are used with plural verb, and these are also called plural verb. If one is used before a plural subject, then it will become a singular, and that verb we will use there, that should also be singular. Why? Because one is used for the one thing, and like here in this sentence, one of the students are given. Student is plural, but here we have used one before these students, and that's why we will take it as a singular subject, and we will use here singular verb, that is was. Is if two subjects are joined by and, but a definite article or possessive adjective is used before only one subject. If definite article or possessive adjective is used before only one subject, then we have to use or take it as a singular verb. We have to use their singular verb, and we will count it as a singular subject. Like here, the director. The is a definite article. Actor, before actor there is not used any definite article, that's why we will take it as a singular, and we will use it here singular verb. In next sentence, my uncle is given. My is here possessive adjective. In the second subject, which is second noun, which is doctor, here my is not used, possessive adjective is not used, that's why we will take it as a singular subject, and we will use here is. It means if in the sentence two nouns are joined or two pronouns are joined with and, but definite article or possessive adjective is used before only one subject, then we will take it as a singular subject. and we will use there only singular verb.
But if a possessive adjective or definite article is used before both of the nouns, the subject will be counted as plural and the verb we will use here, that should also be plural. Here first sentence is given, that is, the principal and the secretary are coming. The principal and the secretary are coming is written here. Principal and secretary, these are nouns, and before both of the nouns we have used here the, which is definite article. It means if definite article is used before both of the nouns, we will use their verb, that should also be plural. Here are is used, that is also plural verb. In the second sentence, my doctor and my uncle are coming. Doctor and uncle, both of the nouns are given here, and we have used here my before both of the nouns, which is possessive adjective, and we have used it before both of the nouns here. That's why we will use the verb that is also plural, and that is given here.
Now come to the next, that is some nouns appear to be plural but actually these are singulars. It means some nouns are there which are appeared as singular, appeared as plural but these are singular, like politics, news, innings, mumps, measles. These are looked like as a plural because s is used after all of these words. But these are singular and we will count it as a singular subject and we will use here singular verb. Like politics is a dirty game. In this, politics is used, that is a singular subject, and that's why the verb which is used here, that is also singular, which is. In the next sentence, the innings is used. This innings, it means this is singular because innings is a singular subject. That's why we will take it as a singular subject, and is we will use here as a singular verb. Some nouns appear singular, but in reality these are plural, like kettle, people, infantry. These are looking like singular because at s or es is not used after this sentence, but we will take it as a plural. People, we can't use people word for a single person. We use for the group of persons are there. We will use for that people. It means people is a plural subject, and which verb we will use here, that will also be plural, which is were. In second sentence, this is my kettle. My kettle is written here. Kettle we will take it as a plural, and that's why verb which is used here, that is also plural. My cattle are grazing. Seventh is here, some countable nouns appear to be plural. Countable nouns are there which appear to be plural, means s or es is used after these kind of sentences or these kinds of words, nouns, but these are used as plural and we always use plural verb before these sentences, these words. Like some words are given here: scissors, trousers, pants, spectacles, thanks, tongs, wedges. These are the words which are looked like plural, but we will use also as a plural. Like, where are my pants? We can't use where is my pants. My pants is a subject and are is used, that is a verb, that is also plural. Next is the embers. The embers is the word that is looking like plural, but this is used also as plural. Uncountable nouns are always singular. Whenever you will see the uncountable noun, these will be used as a singular only. These cannot be made plural. And these never used with these kind of words a or an. It means uncountable nouns are there. We can't use with uncountable of nouns a or an. And we always take it as a singular, we can't take it as plural. Some words are given here like scenery, poetry, furniture, information, hair, bread, money, work. These are the words which are uncountable nouns, and we will use it as a singular subject, and we will use with these words singular verb. Like the scenery of Kashmir. And the scenery is uncountable noun, and that's why which is the verb which is used here, that is, and it is also used singular verb. No information. Information is an uncountable noun, and verb which is used here, that is has, and this is also singular verb. If two nouns are joined by either or, neither nor, not only but also. If two nouns are joined with these words, and the verb will be used according to the second noun. The verb we will use according to the second noun. If the second noun is singular, then we will use the verb there singular. If the second noun is plural, then we will use the verb there plural. Like either he or I am guilty of for offense. Here I word is used, and for with I we have to use here am, as we have to use the verb according to the second subject, and the second subject is I. That's why we always use am with I, and we have to use here singular verb, and with I we have to use here am. In the second sentence, his brothers, second noun is there, that is his brothers, and that is plural. That's why we have to use their plural verb, which is have.